Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now you see you got Nike across the top of the box, on the side, on both sides, matter of fact. I mean, it is what it is, man. We're not going to dwell too much on the box today. What we have is the Air Max 95 ERDL Party. This is the black colorway. I will be doing a review on the other shoe if I get time. You know what I'm saying? So here it is, the Air Max 95 ERDL Party. I don't know what that stands for, so if you know, let me know. You know what I'm saying? So looking at the shoe, man, I think it's a dope shoe, man. It's well put together, man. It's a little colorful, but on the dark side of being colorful, if that make any sense to you, man. Now you look at these patterns or these layers. You see you got the pink camouflage on the back. You got layers of different colors of camouflage going along the panel of the shoe. I mean, I think it's a hot little shoe, man. On the bottom, see this color of camouflage that you see on the bottom of each shoe? That's the color of the insole on each shoe. You know what I mean? So this one has pink. I'll show you the other one in a minute. But there's a look at that nubuck on the toe. Pretty dope. Got the mesh. I mean, like I say, man, I think these dope. I'm feeling them. You know, they kind of surprised me once I saw them in person, but, you know, everybody's entitled to their own opinion, man. Now, these retail for what it is, 190 bucks. It's the black and multicolor colorway. I think they released this weekend. It just passed. But like I say, man, these are dope, man. Now, here's a look at the other shoe. Now, you have a few different colors. You know, so, I mean, I think it's dope, man. Like I say, on the insole, you can't really see it right there, but it has the same color that you see under the bottom of the shoe. You feel me? So, on this one, I tried to get y'all to see it, man. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, man. Maybe I need to get me some more lights or something. I don't know. But anyway, we ain't got time for all that, man. I'm showing you the kicks, man. That's what it is, man. You know, so, like I say, man, I think it's dope. I tried to get y'all to see it, but, man, that's enough of that, man. So if you just look at the bottom of each shoe, man, that's the color of the insole. Like you see this one? The insole on this shoe is that color. Now the other one, you got the pink. The insole of that one is that color. You know what I mean? So, man, I think it's a dope shoe. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling them? You not? It is what it is, man. Now I'm going to look at the Nike Air Max 95 ERDL Party. Subscribe to the channel, man. Turn notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Follow us on Instagram at PetlersApp504, and I'ma holla back.